What's up, Lincoln Charter School? It's Mr. Way. We're back with one more day of Mr. Way's math facts. Right now, we're going to do a worksheet that's probably going to look familiar to most of you. It's the equivalent fraction with circles sheet number 4. We've done this one in class before, and I'll be showing you these. We're going to work through these, and hopefully this helps you break it down a little bit better as you're working on fractions or equivalent fractions and things like that. So I'm going to go ahead and shade the first one. The first one they give you is, they give you 3/5. They want to know what is an equivalent fraction for 3/5. I'm going to shade it in using my green marker so y'all can kind of see it a little bit better, because it may just show up looking clear on your screen. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to shade this in so you'll be able to see it a little bit better on the equivalent fraction side. So that right here, I shaded in 3/5. They gave us a 10-piece pie, and they want us to shade what's the equivalent of 3/5. It says 6/10. So I'm going to go ahead and shade 6/10. So just like you, I'm actually doing the worksheet as I'm talking to you. So you see, I shaded my 3/5 and 6/10, so you can see that they are equal. They're equivalent. So I'm going to go ahead and move to number 2. If you can see it, it's kind of light. They give you 2/3 of a pie. They give you 2/3, and then I'm going to find the equivalent in this one here. And I will give you that fraction shortly. So 2/3, and we're going to break it down here. So they gave us a 12-piece pie. The first one I showed you was 2/3. So we're finding the equivalent fraction in 12ths. So what I did here is 2/3 is equivalent to 8/12. And you'll be able to see my equivalent fractions here. Like I said, here I had my 2/3. I showed you 2/3 before I shaded it. And this one we had a 12-piece pie, and it came out to 8/12. My shaded area is 8/12. So 2/3 is equivalent to 8/12. Hope everybody can see that. Then we'll move on down here. I'm going to move on to number 2. Down here in number 2, they give us 2/6. The first part is 2/6. And then they give us another 12-part pie. So we have 2, 6, and 2, 6 is equal to 4/12. 4/12 is my shaded portion of the pie here. So right here, you can see where the part that was given was 2, 6. I shaded my 2, 6. They gave me a 12-piece pie here. So I shaded the equivalent right here, and it came out to 4/12. So 2, 6 is equal to 4/12. On this side, if you can see it, they're giving you 3/4. And they're giving you a 1, 2, 3, 4, like a 16-piece pie here. So we have to figure out the equivalent for 3/4 is going to end in 16ths. So let's see. We have 3/4, and then we have to draw the equivalent to 3/4. And we know it's going to be in 16ths. So we came out with 3/4 is equal to 12/16. So that's our equal fraction right here. We're doing our fractions. Remember that I'm shading in my fractions, but we had 3/4 are equal to 12/16. I'm going to show you exactly what that looks like. Right here, we have our 3/4 is equivalent to 12/16. So as you can see, the work that we're doing, I would like y'all to go ahead and figure out. You can see this one right here in number 3. It's giving you a pie. You can see the shaded section. I'm going to mark it for you right here of the pie that's shaded. And I want you to figure out the answer for this one and put it in the comment section. So the section that's shaded in the first one is 8/10. I'm going to color in the 8/10. So right here, I want you to figure out this one on your own. We have 8/10 right here in the shaded for number 3. And I want you to figure out what's the fraction for this one right here and leave it in the comment section. So this is Mr. Way's Math Facts for Monday, equivalent fractions. I will see y'all again tomorrow. I'll be posting at least one more video. We'll probably still be working on equivalent fractions. Again, put your answers in the comment section. I want to see y'all work out these problems. Y'all have a nice day. Stay corona free. Stay safe.